Hello, Tera.
Hi.
Now, what have we done? Oh, look, she got her stickers on there.
Okay, let's tell them.
Oh, sorry about that.
Let's tell which one they are. This is
We're not gonna go over all those. People can see. Jeremy started this. And we got something down here on this end. Well, you only got one on that end right now. May wind up getting her another toolbox. This one was wrecked, and it just, the latches aren't working right, but it'll do her for right now.
What up with that one? What are you gonna get?
Well, you're not moving it. No, drawers only need to stay put while you're moving it. Alright, so open these up. We gotta get her some sockets. I meant some socket clips to hold the sockets. Socket racks. There's all of our pliers. Wrenches. Some more wrenches. Oh, let's turn the light on. There we go. Some miscellaneous stuff.
And then saw.
And a saw all in there by itself. Nut drivers and screwdrivers, torx drivers, ratchets.
Extensions. Oh, and don't forget to see these.
Yep, Allen wrenches.
Ready?
We're just getting it all set up. Paperwork drawer. Gloves. Alright, we'll make that your layout drawer. This is from a nice viewer. Let's see, can you leave them in there like that? Yeah, there you go. They won't go in this way?
No, sorry. This one won't fit in there.
Ah, okay. Half inch drive, 12-point sockets.
A hammer door.
She's starting a hammer collection.
That's what I'm saying.
Everybody knows that one. Oh, let me get the light off of it. There we go. Steven made that one.
Okay.
Nothing in there. That's it. Alright.
That's it.
There's a there's a toolbox update and a general howdy. Hello.
Bye.